Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be reviewing how I did this half up, half down, and this is the penny wig. If you guys want to see how I got this look and what I think about this hair, stay tuned. Okay, first we're gonna start off with some oil, just so my hair won't be as dry as it looks right now. I'm just gonna put this all over my head. I mean, I don't put a lot. It's just so my hair doesn't feel super dry under the wig cap. Now I'm gonna take a rat tail comb, and so parting dry hair is hard, so I'm just gonna make like the sides super straight, but this is for my lazy girls, so the middle is not gonna be shown to the world anyway. So I just part it to where I can get enough hair inside this mini ponytail. I'm gonna twist that just to get it out the way, and we'll come back to that in a bit. So next I'm going to twist down my hair like how I do for my wigs, because y'all know I can't braid. So we're just going to twist this down and then secure it with some ponytail holders. I use two just to make sure like all the hair is there. And this is how it should look. Yeah, the part is really cricket, but it's okay. So this is the penny wig. It comes 26 inches in the color 1B. The back shows you, how to put it on. This is how long the hair is. It's really long, actually. I'll show you guys in a second. It comes with a clip, a long clip in the front, a long clip in the back, and adjustable straps. Now this is the half wig. So, I mean, I don't really do full hairstyles with it, but it can be done. If you guys want to see that, just let me know. So I'm going to add more oil. Usually I wet my hair, but I was lazy, so that's why it's a lazy girl hairstyle. I'm just going to add some Eco Styler around the perimeter of my hair. Use a hard brush just to smooth that down a bit. Usually I wet my hair and it's much easier to get sleek than this, but we're just gonna smooth that down. Next, I'm gonna use Got To Be glue for extra hold. Just put a little on your finger. You don't need a lot because it's super strong gel. Make sure I get my sideburns. Just apply like a minimum amount and smooth that out as well. And I'm going to put that into the form of a ponytail. Take two more ponytail holders and make a small ponytail at the top of my head for that part. So this is how it should look at the top. I'm going to just twist it just to get it out the way a little bit. And next we're going to be putting the wig on. Make sure you put it on the right way with the Outre tag at the bottom of the wig. Just gonna click that on the little bump. And you see how the part is like, it's not really gonna show because the hair clip comes in the middle. So just pull it and adjust it to your liking. I didn't actually use the adjustable straps this time. That's just because when y'all see what we do at the end to tighten the wig, to put it in a half up, half down thing, you'll see you don't really need to. So just bring some hair from the back, bring it up to the front, just the even amount. And we're gonna separate, make sure, so I wear this already, so I wear it like maybe 3 times. So it's just tangled a little bit, but it's still wearable. And we're just gonna make sure the back still feels full. And we're gonna take one side and pull it up kind of over the part. And then we're going to take the other side and do the same, just to make sure each side is even and they match up. And once I notice I have each side to match up and looks good, I take one more ponytail holder. Make sure I put my head down to tie it so that the ponytail falls to the front and not to the back. And we're just gonna tie that a couple times to it's secure enough. You're gonna feel the wig tighten, just so it makes sure it's secure. And because you tied half the wig to your real hair, you won't need any extra clips or anything else to make sure it stays on all day. So this is how it looks. Just tighten it even more. And now we just have to fix our regular hair. So I'm gonna separate the curls that got stuck, separate my real hair from the wig, and try to figure out what to do with my obviously brown dry hair. So usually it's wet when I do this, but I forgot, of course. So it's easier, it's harder to twist, but it's still twistable. We're just gonna twist that and make sure there's enough space to go for the hair to go around the ponytail without it being stuck, if that makes sense. So I'm just showing you guys super up close how I'm moving the hair out the way. Then we wrap this around, and then you stick your remaining hair under the wig. Like, you won't be able to see it. You won't be able to see where it ends. It just look like you wrapped it around. And that's how it's gonna look. And then I'm just gonna play around with it more. Make sure it's secured. Now I'm gonna take some bobby pins just to secure it down, secure my real hair down. It's not needed, but it just makes it look tighter as a ponytail. Make sure you press those back so they aren't as visible. I recommend getting brown bobby pins if you have like brown hair. And I'm just gonna take Eco Styler and show you guys how I do my natural edges when wearing this hairstyle. So right now I just trace over my edges with my favorite toothbrush, clearly, and just try to get those in the form that I would like them in. Everybody does their baby hair is different, so I wouldn't recommend trying to follow my routine as much as trying to figure out how to create your own. Everybody has different head shapes, so it's better to just experiment with how you want your edges. Next, to mold it down, I'm going to take some Got To Be Glued, and just to secure those edges, like if you do it with just the Got To Be Glued, they probably will curl up, but I mean with the Eco Styler, they will curl up, but with the Got To Be, they're more likely to stay secure. Next, I'm just gonna take a damp baby wipe just to get off that excess makeup and extra product that is around my hair. This is how long it looks in the back, and this is the finished product.
Hey guys, it's me. She's so beautiful, and like, just be sure to stay tuned. She's so beautiful. She got so much talent and content coming up. So I mean, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and comment. Tell your friends, tell your mama, tell your sister, tell your auntie. They all need help. But yeah.
Like
right there. Don't forget. Okay.
Down in the comments below, let me know if this tutorial was too fast or if I need to go more detailed. And if you try this look, just let me know. I'm always happy to see. Bye.